Alright guys, you're welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. If today is your first time coming here, I say very big welcome. Otherwise, I've been not around in this store because of I have to take care of the other smaller store. So now I'm back to the Who store where we can get whatever cosmetic you needed, whatever item you needed other than cosmetic as well. So in a quick one, I will be telling you about some few essential oils that you can use for whitening or for moisturizing as well. And I would want to start with lavender oil. A lot of people they be seeing this lavender oil, but they don't know how effective it is because in as much other than skincare they're using for for other thing like you can use it heals wounds too, right? Yes, that's what it does also. Yeah, so in a quick one, it is said that it's antiseptic and also anti-inflammatory, to see how effective it is, any kind of how will I say, any kind of inflammatory of the skin of the body like you got. That is why you see a lot of people when they are formulating, sometimes they love using organic oils, because very pathetic. I know this oil is not chemically produced. Are you getting it? So they love using essential oils that can act very fast, that can act in depthly. Are you getting it? So lavender oil is one of the best oil I would recommend for you. That if you're promising, if you know, we have different type of lavender oil though. So if you know you can't get this, you can go get the other one, or you can go get uh the ones they measure, or the ones in those big bottles, so you can get all those ones. Other than that, this one is very okay. If you can get this one, get it and use. Make sure when you're premixing, if you talk of talk of essential oils, make sure you always think of lavender oil as well. And let me quickly show you another one that is so very nice that you can count on. This is it, rose hip. Are you getting it? And most of them they have this similarity in them, that they can still use them to heal wounds, like as I said also. But we're not talking about wounds right now. Let's go to the skincare part of it, like what you can really use, how you can premix it you know we have a lot of essential oils that people really count on, like they know this one is my best, that one is my best, and I would always want to say, other than that, we have uh, different type of rosehip oil, but this one is one of my best too. No matter how large a quantity I produce, if I say I want to use essential oil, I always want to use as many of these that I know that yes, instead of I going for the big one, okay, let me just get this one like 5 or 6 or thereabout for my production. So I will advise you to always consider this particular rose hip oil. So then again, you can see this one is one of carrot type. So a lot of people they say, I don't like carrots. I'm allergic to this. I'm allergic to that. How about if you're using it, and or if you can, anyway, let me just put it that way. If you know you are allergic to carrot, okay, don't use it. You can use any other one because you know hence carrot is here, so automatically it lights the skin. Are you getting it? So it's a lightening property in it that every tendency about it. Like if you use this, it turns some people in 3 4 5 days. This one you see, it turns some people in 3 4 5 days. Are you getting it? So that's to tell you how effective it is. So let me open it and you see how small but mighty it is. So you can see, are you getting it? Small but mighty, turns some people in 3, 4, 5 days. Are you getting it? So in a quick one, if you know that you're allergic to it, don't use it. Don't use it. You can use the other ones I've just shown you before now, but how effective it is, I just said these are the essential oils that you can always have in mind. That, man, let me use them when it comes in terms of, when you're premixing, even without premixing, you can just, put them in your lotion. Yes, you can put them in your lotion and mix together. They are very, very good. And a quick one, I just want to show you the avocado one. Pam. So this avocado one is still the same thing, like I told you, they all have ways they relate. Yeah. So the way this one work, the same other one work. This one also, with the fact that it hits wound also, and is very effective also. When you're using it, you can be rest assured that the reason why you're using it, it will work. And the only way it will not work when it's fake, because we have a lot of them. Because ever since dollar rised up, dollar keep going up every day. Since when dollar started rising, so a lot of people, they can't really afford them, so they make alternatively. What is the alternative way for them? The shortcut, they go buy cheap ones, where they just say, okay, for instance, this thing is sold for 500 naira. They will go say, okay, now that it's gone to 500 naira, let's go look for the one of 300. And you don't know that one of 300 is something they just did some beside the road, they refill. Okay, don't worry. So beware and don't be a victim of those kind of people. So I want to show you another quick one also. This one is ultra oil. This one, I've talked about this one some time ago. Very, very effective. Very, very effective. This ultra oil, it works for stretch mark, it works for scar, and aging skin, and dehydrated skin, acne, and a lot more that it works for. So one can really count on it also. If you see this very one in your place, you can get it. Very effective, very, very effective. You don't really need to mix more with this. You can mix with your lotion and use. Very effective. And now I want to show you another powerful acne stress control. You see? Fine. Okay, look at it, so that before I talk about it, look at it. Acne stress control. This is oil free. It's not made of oil. All right. Okay, now let's quickly see from inside. It treats acne even before it emerge. Wow, it eliminates oil and shine. So okay, let's quickly go and down with it. It said refreshes and soot. So now, why am I bringing this? Because somebody talked about it, though they be telling me most times that they don't want something because their face too much oil and the body also. So can I get something that I can use that doesn't contain oil? So I said, okay, right, if that can be really work. So that is why I advise you to use this triple action toner. All right, it's a triple action toner. It's not just one toner, one way toner like we have, or it could be just maybe this one is just for only acne, or this one is just for this and that. This one is triple action. Like I just read three things. Like it said, it evens or it treats the acne before it emerge. Are you getting it? So that is number one priority I can really guarantee you. And a lot of people, they need it. So if you know you need it, for us that say, okay, we don't want maybe something oil, there's no oil in it, rather it even suck the oil off your face. If your face is too oily, you don't need something that is oil anymore. So this is the right toner I will ask you, I will advise you to use. If you really want to get this, you know how to get it. You can place your order via the number on your screen. All right.